Can I just say, before we ever say a word to Jesus, can we learn to, in the middle of our busyness, in the middle of all of the chaos that's going on in our lives, before we even worry about the words that come out of our mouths, can we just acknowledge for a moment, posture of our bodies before God also matter? Can we be so disciplined, can I say that word in church, to remove ourselves from where we are currently in our lives? Remove yourself from the busyness. Get away from the chaos, even if for a moment, to just go in and sit quiet, attentive, respectful, and reverent to the presence of God in your life before you even worry about a word that comes out of your mouth. Amen? The words matter, but listen to me. If your heart is not postured in the right place, the words that come out of your mouth are going to be tainted. That's not because anything that you say is wrong. It's because the posture of your heart is incorrect, and we serve a God who really values the authenticity of our soul and our spirit. Amen?